If you're in the trades, people come to you as a problem solver. Here's something you may or may not know that could help you solve a problem, a heating problem. Recently, two people came to me. They approached me complaining that their baseboard fin radiators did not heat up to their thermostat reading. They weren't jiving. When I hear this, there are many things to check. You check zone valves, circulator pumps, relays. You can check whether the thermostat is even working or working properly, or if it needs batteries replacing. When I looked closer at their radiators, I noticed something interesting. The radiator fins, the aluminum fins, were oriented horizontally versus vertical, and this was done on install. If you're not following me, these aluminum fins, they should be oriented on installation so that they have an open vertical channel. The slots are vertical. These aluminum fins increase surface contact with the copper heat pipe, and that creates more efficient heating. The copper heat pipe heats the fins through conduction, and the fins actually help heat the air as it flows past them. Lower air at the bottom of the radiator is then heated by these fins as it rises up through them. The hot air rises because it's lighter than cooler air, and as it rises, it draws cooler air up behind it and through the bottom of those fins. And that cycle just continues until the thermostat is satisfied. So having them rotated so that the vertical airflow is restricted, it prevents convection through the radiator. It's a simple process. In order to fix the problem, you need to rotate the fin orientation. Now, there's several ways and solutions that you can approach this. Some are better than others. You can replace the radiator fins, that's costly. You can re-sweat the joint maybe. You can cut the pipe, add a coupling, rotate it. You can bend the fins with needle nose pliers in order to create an air channel, which is not my favorite solution. Or you could try to rotate the fins in place. That's the more cost-effective solution. The fins are actually held in place through a resistance filament around the copper pipe. It's like a fitment. And look, I'm going to warn you, this may or may not work depending on the situation, how the pipe was installed. In which case, choose another method. But before you rotate the fins, you need to basically lift the radiator up off the metal cradle brackets that hold it and take off the plastic holders that are on that bracket. Take them off temporarily, you're going to put them back on later. Most fin radiators have some slack, absolutely have slack in the middle of the run of pipe and less over by the elbows. So the first thing you want to do is you want to rotate the pipes when the radiator is cold. I ripped two strips of 2-inch by 6 inch by like 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch plywood, and I basically hold those boards on either side of the radiator, top and bottom, and then slowly and gently just rotate the fins 90 degrees if you have clearance to do so. Wear gloves because those fins are sharp, and then you can use a needle nose plier to help with individual fins or maybe deal with the fins on the ends. You may or may not be able to move those fins, like I said, by the elbows because there's just no pipe movement. If the pipe lifts up, great, move them. You may also have to settle on just unbending them and straightening them just to create a little bit better airflow, or just leaving them alone. Personally, if this rotation method does not work for you, if you ask me for advice, I would tell you to get a plumber to unsweat the joint or cut and add a coupling and rotate it. That's what I would do if it was my house. Either way, you need to get those fins oriented correctly to heat your room efficiently. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's kind of a quick tip. I've learned it by just checking stuff out. Please comment and subscribe. We welcome your feedback and we like your support. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. We have 2 channels. Toolbox Buzz has Instagram and Facebook, and Concord Carpenter has Instagram and Facebook. Like them all. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.